Gosh, if I had a dime every time I tried to answer this question, I'd be a multimillionaire. This is probably one of the most ambiguous, non-specific careers to describe because it's just so dependent on the specific project you're working on. At the end of the day, consulting in general is about meeting your client's needs. You're getting paid to take care of a problem which a client doesn't have time for and needs expert opinion on. This means that you do the thinking for them. What's going to be the strategy and approach to solve the problem? Do you need to interview people? What data are you going to need to analyze and make these decisions? What hurdles or challenges are you anticipating? And how are you going to position your client for success? Every step of the way has to be thoughtful and intentional, and bringing your client along with the thinking is super important to make sure that they aren't going to be surprised by anything. Practically, this results in you or someone from your team scheduling a lot of meetings. You've got internal meetings to test various approaches and discuss which one should be the one to bring forward to the client. You've got regular meetings with the client to provide status updates and test ideas together. And then you've got meetings with key stakeholders who you need to engage in order to move forward with the problem. And as you have these meetings, things are constantly being updated or changed based on the discussion. So that's why people say consulting is relatively fast-paced and always moving. And that's probably the best way how I would describe consulting.